Hi everyone, in this session I'm going to talk about a very common issue which you will be faced during working with Git version control the projects, and that is conflict. So I will go through the details. I hope that you can get whatever you need in order to solve your conflicts inside a Git version control project. Though I believe uh, it needs more expertise to do that, but at least you might be get a fundamental of what a conflict is and what is a divergent merge or three-way merge, and what is the difference between that with the fast forwarding and the rest. Okay, this is my uh, existing status of uh, my projects, which I used numbers for that. Okay. I'm not sure if it is already what is existing on my local PC. Actually, I can say not my local PC, user one local PC. So let me check that. So user one, as I mentioned before, is a user in a different network, different organization somewhere else. And I already simulated the situation via a virtual box in my host. So this is user one. Let me see if we go to my projects, and here let me run ll git. Let me make it bigger. Git log dash dash one line. Head is to master. So just compare it with all. All right, head is to master. So, and number three being added. So, okay. So let's switch to feature. So just I'm gonna make it and simulate it as a situation I am showing here. All right. So head should be toward feature, and number four in my project need to be committed already. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to get back to my user here. I will do git checkout feature. Okay, now chat. Okay. Number four, as I can see here, is already added. So git status is showing I am on branch feature and nothing to be committed. Uh, Let me log it. Okay, BOB and 40, and head is toward feature. Fourth number being added to my number. Just to be in the safe side, let me git switch or check out to master, and if I run cat my numbers, okay, this here we also got four numbers that been added. So if I think that we have the same, yeah, we have the same mm, history for our uh, git local branch. So let's get back to my remote branch, my remote repository, GitHub. So where I am going to go, I'm going to go to the GitHub repository which I used for my project. So just imagine that your private repository, which is this one, and it is private, is a project on which all your team members are working, and I already uh, gave enough access and granted enough access to user one to contribute in this project. So in my numbers, oh, okay, they're all in Ford. Okay, this is my own machine host. CD my project. Yeah, cat my numbers. Yeah, okay. Uh, so I have to actually change this situation to be like this. Maybe I. So everything is already updated. Head is toward feature now. This is master, but I think, by the way, if you just go inside your project, you can change the branch here. So this branch is also master, and uh, git status. Here I'm also on master. So yeah, okay, my fellow chart is not updated. Let me get back to here. Wait. Mm, no, I'm going to do something else. Oh, this should be number 5. So what I gonna do? Okay, forget number 1. So just let me change it because we already got 4 there. Once I was creating these pictures, I didn't know that number 4 is already been committed. That's fine. So this is the scenario which I'm going to get into that. I'm going to switch to the feature branch in user one local, then commit the 5th commitment, the 5th change, and then push it back to the remote GitHub repo. So my remote GitHub repo will get into this status. So it has to be, we should have number 5 on its feature and number 4 on its master in our file, In order to get to this status, I go to my user one. Now head is toward master. So what I gonna do? I gonna git switch to feature. Then vi my numbers. So just hit Shift G. You will get to the end. From then there hit end button in your keyboard. You will get to the end of the line. Hit O. See, I once I hit O, I will get into interactive mode. Number 5 added. Escape, colon, WQ, bang, saved. Okay, if I run git status, I will see that this file been changed, but it is not been added to the index yet. So it hasn't been staged yet. See, not staged. What is the command? Git add my numbers. If I run git status, you can see that it is already staged, but not been committed yet. So what I will do git commit -m. Okay, fifth number being added. Great. What is it saying? It's saying, okay, it's saying that your name not being assigned. So I'm not sure if I assign this one, but just as an example, user one instead of example, let me put example.com. Okay, and global name user one, Mr. or Mrs. user one. Fair enough. Let's commit. Okay, so it's been committed. Git log dash dash one line. I don't need more than one line anyway. One. Okay. Even here it's showing that my remote is already mapped to this one, to the fourth number, but fifth number been added into here. So we reach to this state. If I run git branch dash dash all, it will also show me all the branches. So I'm already on feature branch, and my origin is toward master. So I need this one to be changed to feature. In order to do that, I have to run git remote. Okay, I have shown you that by git remote v, we could see that it's already toward Hamed.Soleimani, my project. Okay, Hamed.Soleimani is not the GitHub account of user one. User one, as you remembered, had its or his own GitHub account. I can do git push -u upstream remote is origin and feature. Let's push it. Wait. So git branch O. So although it is already set on origin master, I believe that we can also change this one. But for now, uh, since it's not a very common situation, but most of the time you merge into your local, then push it toward the remote, or sometimes in a very big project, everything need to be done on a feature. So that's why I use that command. For now, it's been done. So if I go here and I go to the feature branch, I can see, okay, 7 minutes ago a commit been happened because the commit, the fifth number commit happened 7 minutes ago. Anyway, I got a delay in recording and stuff like that. So number 5 is here. Even if I get back to my project and I go to the master, I'm pretty sure that number 5 is not there because all the jobs done on the feature branch for now. In this case, let's get to escalate. So we are like this. So we push the origin, although the origin was actually master, number 5 to the feature branch. We are going to get to this condition or status. So I want to merge into user1 local git repo. And after merging that, let's change this one. Number 3. After merging that, I want to pull toward, and okay, I want to push toward or remote, and everything will be updated, master and feature, everything will be merged as well. So this will be push, and this is step 2. Wait, let me save that. Okay, this is the scenario. We're gonna merge in local of user1. After merging, push it that. Once we push that, the merge uh, should be actually moved toward remote as well. And then we will pull from remote. In this case, I believe at the end of the day, we will have a fast forward situation of contribution. So user H.Soleimani might have been spoken with user one, and they got to this agreement. Okay, no one should work uh, simultaneously on my numbers.txt. For example, just user one is allowed to do that. And in this case, user H.Soleimani need to always fetch the situation uh, by pulling uh, from the remote repo. So he will be updated all the time. So his branch will be in a fast forward situation. This is a very uh, desired situation, but I believe that getting to this situation is not always feasible in real world. S- How we do it? We go to uh, user one, git branch dash all. Okay, let's, how we gonna merge it? We will git checkout to master branch. This is user one local, and I will do git merge feature here. Great. Git status cat my number. I'm on mat. Cat my number. Okay. Local is already, it's already merged here. So what I will do, the second step was push that. So I will push. So just let me check what is the remote. Remote git remote dash double verbose. Okay. So push is already toward Hamed.Soleimani. Git push dash dash. Oh, okay. Now let's get back to master of the remote. We have to see, okay, see, number 5 been added to the remote. So step 2 been done. Now from my local machine, Soleimani, what he will do, he will pull everything from the remote repo. In order to do that, just get back to here. You can see that, okay, we don't have the latest commit, which we could see here on there. In order to see that, what we will do, we will just do git pull. I'm still using uh, token for my personal account. I have to change it to SSH key as I did it for Mr. User One, since it is easier. But by the way, let me see which one is my token. GitHub tokens. Yeah, I found it. Copy. Yes. Great. If I hit cat my numbers, I will see number 5 here. Okay, now it's time to get into divergent status in next session. Thank you for watching me.